I am Neha Parmar, a facilitator from Amal Khanna DAV Public School Dwarka, and this is a PowerPoint presentation for subject Mathematics, Class 3rd, Part 4. We will be covering the lesson number 1, numbers up to 9999. Topics to be covered are comparison between numbers, ascending and descending order. Comparison between numbers. Now, children, how to compare two numbers? First, we have to study the vocabulary. These are the symbols. Greater than, a symbol used to show a number greater than the other. Less than, a number symbol used to show the number less than other. Equal sign, a symbol used to show numbers having the same value. Now look at these two numbers, children. Your step 1 is always to look at the digits. Here also I have 4 digits. Here also I have 4 digits, both the sides. So we will look. The first step is always start looking at the highest place. That is the thousand over here. You can see 5 and 4. Here 5 is greater than 4. So automatically this complete number, which is 5931, becomes greater than 4931. Again, in this question, you can see both the numbers have equal number of digits. Here also have 3 digits, here also 3 digits. Now, next step is to start looking at the highest place. Here we have 9, here also we have 9. So now look at the next place. That is 4 and here it is 5. So automatically 5 is greater than 4. So this complete number becomes greater. The point here to be noted is that we always compare the digit which belong to the same place. Like we can't compare 9 and 5. We will always compare 9 and 9 because they both are in the same place, that is hundreds, right? So since they are same, so we move to the next place, that is tens. Here it is 4 at the tens place, here it is 5 at the tens place. So automatically 5, since 5 is more, so 951 becomes greater. Okay, children. So next, here again we have 1252 and here we have 1232. Now again start comparing from the highest place. 1, 1, 2, 2. Tens place we have 5, here we have 3. So since 5 is more, so automatically this 1252 becomes greater. Now children, next come to the next part. Here, compare the numbers using the symbols. Now look at these numbers. Now tell me children, which number is more? First you can see here are also 4 digits. Here are also 4 digits. So we compared the thousand place, which is same. 4, which is also same. Let's come to the tens place. Here it is 7. Here is it is 2. So 7 is more than 2. Right? So that means 3478 is more than 3420. Now come to the next question. Here also the number of digits are same. So 7, if you compare at the thousand place, 7 is equal to 7. 8 is same as 8. 7, which is same as 7 in tens place, now comes to ones place. Here it is 4. Here it is 1. So automatically this number becomes greater. Now comes to this question, children. Here you can see that 9 is same as 9. At 100 place it is 8. At tens place here it is 2 and here it is 1. So 9821 is greater than 9812. Now children, in this question you can see here we have 3 digits. Here we have 4 digits. So which number will be greater? 4 digit number or 3 digit number? Yes, 4 digit number will be automatically will be more. And you can also see that here the thousand place it is 4 and here at the thousand place we have nothing. So we can also put 0 here and we can see that 4 is greater than 0. In that way also this number 4785 is greater. Now, Sarah said that 850 is greater than 4900 because 8 is greater than 4. Is it true? Is it correct? Tell me, children. Yes, it is not correct. It is wrong. Because we cannot compare 8 and 4. Because 8 is at 100 place and 4 is at thousand place, right? 4 is at thousand place, and here at thousand place is nothing. So we can write 0, right? Now you can see 0 and 4. Which is more? 4 is more. So automatically 4900 is more. And we can also say in other way that here are 3 digits, here are 4 digits. So obviously 4900 will be more because it has more digits. Now children, we see to ascending order. Ascending order is from smallest to greatest. Number is called ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4. We are moving from smaller to the greatest number or largest number. Look at this example, children. Here step 1 is the numbers to be arranged in column wise. Now, first step is to start looking at the greatest place, that is 1000. But here all the numbers are same, all the digits are 2. So what we will do now? Yes, we will be moving to the next place, that is 100. Now look at this, children. We have 3 2 times and 1 2 times. And since we are arranging in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger, tell me, out of 3 and 1, which is smaller? 1 is smaller, right? So, but we have 1 2 times. So, here we will move to the next place. 9, 7. Tell me, children, which is smaller? 7. So, this number we will be writing first. And here, children, tell me, which we will coming the next part? Yes, we will be writing 2 in the second position. Now we are left with these two numbers. Again, look, 2 and 2 are same, 3 and 3 are same. So come to the next part. 6 and 8. Tell me which digit is smaller? 6. So this number will be writing in the third position. So automatically this number will be written in the fourth position. So step 2 is arranging the numbers like this. And so which number you'll be writing first? 2178. Second position is given to 2198. Third was given to 2367. And fourth was given to 2389. So in this way we got smallest to greatest number, that is ascending order. So children, in this way you will be doing worksheet 7, this part, which is done in the same way, and you will be doing the next question. Here also we have arranged the numbers in column wise, and here we can write 0. We again look at the thousand place. Zeros ours is the smaller. We'll move to 2, and from here we move to 5. Which one is smaller? Yes, 2 is smaller. That will be written first. Then 582 will be given the second position. Now look at 3, 2 and 9. Which is smaller? 2. So 2493 will be in third place. And similarly, at fourth place we have this number, and last place we have 9423. Now step 2, arrange the numbers according to the allotted position, and thus we will be getting smallest to greatest number. Now children, we will be moving to descending order, that is largest to smallest. Okay, so we take an example. Step 1, we will be arranging them like this. Now look at the thousand place. We are doing descending order, that is greatest to smaller. So tell me which digit is greatest? 1, but it is coming 3 times. So move to the next place. Now tell me, out of 5, 5 and 1, which is greatest? 5, but it is coming 2 times. So in these two numbers only, move to the next place. 8, 9. Now which is greatest? 9. So we'll be writing this number first. 8 is smaller than this. It will come in the second place. And now you will see that this number will be coming in the third place, and automatically this number will be coming last place. So now step 2, we will be arranging the numbers according to the position allotted. First is 1599, second 1587, third 1198, and fourth 1000, sorry, 178. So this way we arrange the number from greatest to smallest place, that is descending order. So children, in this way you will be doing all the parts. Okay, and next is part D, which will also be doing in the same way, arranging them column wise. And then you can see the thousand place. The greatest is 7, so this number will be coming first. Then we have 6, but which is written 2 times, so we'll be moving to 100 place. Here we have 9, so move to the tens place. Here also we have 2, which is same. So move to the ones place. We will be having 8, which is greater. So this number is second place. This number at third place. Now look at 5 and 1, which is greater. 5. So we will be writing that in the fourth place. And last, this number will be coming at the fifth place. Step 2, we'll be arranging the numbers according to the position allotted. Thus, we'll be writing greatest to smallest number. Okay, children. So in this way also, we can write the descending order. Now, this is worksheet 7. Question number 1, 2, and 3 you will be doing in book. 4 and 5 you will be doing in notebook. So that's all for today's class. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be coming again with new topics. Thank you so much.